Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Roomba mop and sweeps you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Roomba mop and sweeps and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Roomba mop and sweeps so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now, let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a Roomba mop and sweeps. First, check the cleaning performance and technology, ensuring it can handle both wet mopping and dry sweeping effectively on your floor types. Look for models with smart navigation and mapping to cover your home efficiently without missing spots. Battery life and charging time are also important, especially if you have large areas to clean. Consider the size of the water tank and dustbin for fewer interruptions during cleaning sessions. Connectivity features like app control or voice assistance can make operation easier and more convenient. Lastly, review the maintenance needs, such as brush cleaning and filter replacement, to keep your Roomba running smoothly. By focusing on these aspects, you can choose a device that fits your lifestyle and cleaning needs perfectly. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful videos.